All right, now that we've got the Twilio number added, you're all integrated. Now let's go ahead and start connecting things in the snapshot. So first thing that we're going to do is go to calendars. You want to make sure that all the calendars in here are enabled. So what you're going to do is, so these are the main two calendars within the snapshot. So if you're just one person using the snapshot, we recommend that you use this group. If you have additional teammates and everybody needs a separate calendar, then that's what these are here for, the user 1, user 2, user 3 calendars. So what you're going to do is you're going to click edit, and then you're going to click add user. You'll select your user, and then here make sure you have either Zoom or Google Meet connected so that there's a meeting location. And then go ahead and press save. You can just double check the hours. So by default, this one is a 30-minute calendar, and these are the office hours that we set by default with a 1 hour minimum scheduling notice. So just go ahead and double check those for yourself and then press complete. And you're going to do the same thing with this one. This is a 15-minute calendar. We're going to add ourselves in. Press save. And see how here it says from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. So we wanted to give you guys the widest range for office hours. So that's why be sure that in your profile section here that you're setting your availability there as well. And you can go to enable service, and you're good to go there. You would do the same thing for these ones. So if you're adding in, Bob needs a calendar, you would add Bob in here. And then, Tim needs another calendar, you would add Tim here. And that's how that goes. So, once you've double checked the availability and everything, you can just open up the calendar and make sure that, the available hours look right. All right, that's it. Thank you.